So I want to take a second and just talk about two things that are so important when you're pulling lead core on structure. First is going to be having a good spread. And the way that you do that is to use long rods out the side of the boat. You know, we have obviously a nice wide boat here, so the beam's wide, but we have 9.5-foot telescoping rods straight out the sides, okay? And then out the back corners, we have shorter rods. They're 7.5-footers, tipped up, just running right out the back corners. So it's keeping those four lures a little spread out from one another, right? There's rocks down there, there's some weeds that you pick up. You want to make sure that those lines aren't crossing one another when you're trying to follow something in terms of structure. Next thing that you want to do, and it's probably even more important, is to make sure at all times that your crankbaits are very tuned, running very true, because you don't want one of them running to the side, especially when it picks up a weed. If it's already running that way, it's going to even go further and you're going to get some tangles. So those two things, long rods out the side, tune your crankbaits, and run those baits right at the bottom or just above, and you're going to catch a lot of walleyes on Devil's Lake.